people have started shipping Akanksha and Ruru. Ruru likes Akanksha, but I can't prove it. जब से आकांक्षा के साथ शिप होना चालू हुई है, तब से ये रूरू भी अच्छी लग रही है. Today's topic is something a little different, and honestly, a little unexpected too. If you have been watching the recent episodes of Splitsvilla and also scrolling through Instagram edits or comment sections, you might have noticed something interesting happening. People have started shipping Akanksha and Ruru. Yes, you heard that right. Not Akanksha and Yogesh, not Ruru and Yogesh, but Akanksha and Ruru. Now, before anything, let me make this very clear. There is no confirmation, no storyline, and no actual angle like this in the show. This is purely coming from fans. Fan edits, fan comments, and what we can call is a bit of delusional shipping. But still, the trend is growing, and that's what makes it interesting. So what exactly are people saying? Well, if you go through the comments, you will find lines like, Ruru likes Akanksha, but I can't prove it. जब से आकांक्षा के साथ शिप होना चालू हुई है, तब से ये रूरू भी अच्छी लग रही है. I think she likes Akanksha. Even podcast में भी बोला था कि उसकी dresses पसंद है इसको. And honestly, these comments are getting a lot of likes. People are not just joking, some are actually invested in this idea. Now recently, one more moment added fuel to this whole trend. During a scene, Anushka wrote homebreaker on Akanksha's forehead. And right after that, a lot of viewers noticed Ruru's reaction. She didn't look happy, she looked a bit uncomfortable, maybe even slightly upset. Now again, this could mean anything. It could simply be a reaction to the situation. But fans picked up on that moment very quickly. They started saying things like, she loves her more than Yogesh, she just can't say it. Ruru सच में अक्कू को पसंद तो करती ही है, पर प्रूफ कैसे करे? And from there, even more edits started coming out. People began zooming into that exact reaction, slowing it down, adding emotional music, and turning that small moment into something much bigger. Now the question is, where is all this even coming from? Because on the show, they are clearly not shown in that way. In fact, most of their interactions are connected to the same situation, the same person, and a lot of emotional moments. But that's exactly where fans start building their own stories. Whenever two people have intense reactions, emotional scenes, or strong screen presence together, fans sometimes start seeing it as something more, even if it is not meant that way. And then comes the bigger factor, edits. Well, editors take small clips, a look, a reaction, a moment of silence. They slow it down, add music, and suddenly it feels like a completely different story. Well, what was originally tension or awkwardness starts looking like chemistry. And once that starts trending, more people join in, more edits get created, more comments appear, and slowly it turns into a full fan theory. But again, let's stay clear. There is no real proof behind any of this. No statements, no scenes, no confirmation. This is completely fan-made, and honestly, this happens a lot in fandom culture. Sometimes people just enjoy creating their own versions of stories, even if it is between two people who are actually shown as rivals. At the end of the day, this trend is less about reality and more about how audiences interpret things differently. So yeah, that's what's currently happening. A completely fan-driven trend where people are shipping Akanksha and Ruru without any actual confirmation. Now, I want to know your thoughts. Do you think this is just harmless fun, or are fans reading too much into it? Well, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.